If you're looking for a simple smart thermostat that works tightly with Alexa and helps cut down energy bills, the Amazon Smart Thermostat is one of the most budget-friendly options in the smart home space. Right away, its biggest appeal is savings and simplicity. It's designed to automatically adjust your home's temperature to reduce energy usage, and it's Energy Star certified, which can help save around $50 plus per year on heating and cooling costs. Setup is fairly straightforward, and once installed, you can control everything through the Alexa app or with voice commands using Alexa-enabled devices. That means you can change temperature, set schedules, or switch modes without touching the thermostat. One important requirement is the C-wire, common wire. This provides continuous power to the thermostat, and it is required for proper operation. If your home doesn't already have one, you may need a C-wire adapter kit, which is sold separately. In terms of compatibility, it works with most 24V HVAC systems like forced air, heat pumps, and boilers, but it does not support high-voltage systems like electric baseboard heating. The design is minimal and clean, with a simple digital display that shows temperature and basic controls. It doesn't have advanced sensors or deep learning features like higher-end thermostats, but it relies on Alexa hunches and routines to help automate comfort over time. In real-world use, it's best suited for users already in the Alexa ecosystem who want an affordable, no-fuss smart thermostat that focuses on energy savings rather than premium automation features. Some users do find C-wire compatibility a bit confusing during installation, especially in older homes. Overall, this is a practical, entry-level smart thermostat, simple, cost-effective, and reliable for everyday temperature control. Click the link below for the best price.